This is my first year at the Midwest Foodservice Expo.
This is our first year at the Midwest Foodservice Expo.
Toast has been here for 2 years.
Well, this is our first year.
The company has been coming to the expo for 22 years. I have been with them for the last 3. My biggest takeaway from the expo is that there is always someone that wants to know more about coffee, and I'm always happy to talk coffee with anybody who wants to listen.
This is really interesting seeing what new people are coming out with every day.
Yeah, so what we're here to get out of the expo, we market to a lot of frozen dessert industry customers, a lot of other people, and at the same time we get a chance to network.
Well, I haven't been to a lot of different expos, but I can honestly say what I like about this show is the diversity of so many different vendors.
I think we built some really good relationships to help build their business.
It's been awesome so far. I mean, there's tons of people from all kinds of different areas and sectors in the food service industry, and so to be able to have all that exposure conglomerated into one spot is super helpful, not only for exhibitors, but anybody attending the show as well.